That kid is like so trash. So he got in my game. It got destroyed. 13 potted. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like my new skin. And get the pack. It's a really good pack. Now, see you guys, like, I don't know. I haven't posted in a long time. And this is like, I'm using Luna. So, yeah. See you guys next video. Peace.